Hi everyone. Today I discovered a fuel leak in my Toro primer bulb here. I guess it's old, it cracked, so I went to prime it and got sprayed with gas, so it's time to replace that. And found this at Home Depot. It's about 12 bucks. And I was thinking to myself, I'd really like an electric trimmer, but one of them battery powered ones goes for like 200. Well, I'll spend 10 or 11 bucks, keep this one going. So here we go. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. So let's zoom in there and there. Okay. First thing we're going to do is take the cover off, which is just unscrewing this piece here. And now we have the carburetor housing. This is a Torx T25. You got two screws right here. So, but first, before I do that, I think I'm going to take a screwdriver and pry up on this thing because it's got a couple tabs in there that would be easier to pry up before I take that off. So there we have that. And I'm wondering, the one hose came off already. So let me get a little screwdriver and see if I can just get it all the way off there. Bingo. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the bottom. The one that goes to the fuel tank in my case is a green color, and it's probably green because I've probably already replaced the fuel line already. So let me get the new bulb out of the package and we'll see if we can get it back on there without having to take the carburetor off. So don't need that, don't need that. Here we go. Here's the new one. So this one part has a very short fuel line on it, which I can probably get to using needle nose. That's the one I'll probably, well, it looks like I'll put the big one on, the middle one on first. So grab it underneath with the needle nose, push it on, and then where is the other? It's right there. So you find the other hose, get that one in there too. Please don't break on me. I do not want it to break, so. Let's see if I can just snap it in. Okay, so it's snapped in there. Let's go this way. See if I can shove those hoses on it. Let's see if that worked. Turn it on its side so we can get gas. Okay. All right, so I don't think, oops, gas coming out of the cap. I don't think I got the hose seated on there, which is a bummer. I know I got the one going to the tank on there. All right, so I'm gonna take these screws out to make life a little easier. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's get these screws out. There's one. Okay. Okay, so I gotta get under here somehow and get that attached back on there. Okay, I see it. Okay, looks like I got the hose on there. So let's get this beast back together. Needle nose pliers was the trick. So we'll get this back on and see if the bulb works. Say a little prayer. Yay. So, got it. Working. Okay, so here's the two hex, or not hex, but star bolts there. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's put the cover back on and we are back in business. So I was very fortunate I was able to get that back on with needle nose pliers. I'm sure sometimes it might be more difficult, and that throttle cable might be a bit of a bear to get off in order to access that hose a little better. But as you saw, I was able to get that back on there with the needle nose pliers, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.